Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel KashFix. Today we're replacing headlight lamps or bulbs in this 2011 Jeep Wrangler. It's a pretty straightforward procedure in Jeep, all the Jeep Wranglers, Saharas, it's the same way to do it. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up your hood, just unlock this and lift up the hood. All right, as you can see, there is not enough room to go from behind. You have to remove this reservoir, power steering reservoir, remove this air box, or from this side there's horns. So the easiest way is remove all of these retainer clips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go ahead and remove all of the retainer clips. Already removed them. Once you remove them, simply just pull it up front, and there are some clips in the back right here. Show you. And this is what it looks like, the clips. You see that? This one, and I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all you have to do, remove the retainer clips, bring up, pull it forward, and then you can start pull from here at the bottom like this, and same thing with this. And there's a one in the end. Here we go. So now the grill came off. Leave it there, and what you're gonna do next is take this T15 Torx, and 1, 2, 3, and the 4th screw that needs to be removed. So let's go ahead and take them off. All right, here's the first one. Just good.
Now, put it here. Here's the this third one. And finally, the top one, the last one. As you see,
the ring is about to coming off. All right, here we go. Secure the screws and just pull the whole thing out like this. And here's your bulb, and there's the connector. So you can change the light bulb, do whatever you need to do, remove the connector from the back, change, replace the bulb, plug it back, make sure you have all the 4 screws, and push the grill back. That's how we replace the headlight bulb in the Jeep Wrangler. All right, once you're done with the bulb replacement, make sure you screw them back. They're like 4 screws, and there should be a stamp on the back. It says top, so tops goes to the top. Now it's time to put this back, the grill. So this is how you're going to start from the bottom. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. Simply lift up the grill a little bit, align the clips, and just press them nicely. And here, snap 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now go ahead and put these retainer clips back, and you're all done. I hope you'll find this video helpful. I'll be right back with some other helpful video.